Hayko, our team of expert artisans painstakingly restore rugs to their former glory. The process of restoration differs from rug to rug. Some rugs need minor repairs, while other rugs need new foundations and larger restorations. The restoration process is detailed and precise. Custom mixed colors are used to dye individual yarns to the exact shade of the carpet. We match 300-year-old colors, fibers, and patterns so perfectly that the repair work is undetectable. While restoration tries to make the rug look like the day it was made, conservation focuses on keeping the historic integrity of the rug intact. Our focus is on appreciating the rug as an antique work of art and culture, preserving what remains while ensuring the artistic and structural integrity. At Hayko, rugs are carefully cleaned by hand. Whether cleaning spills and stains or cleaning pallet-sized rugs, Hayko's expert staff carefully clean your rug by the best possible method to revive and protect your family's treasure. Restoration, conservation, history, integrity. Hayko. For more information about Hayko's fine rugs and tapestries, please check out our other informative videos on our website.